Hi guys, it's Lucas A. Microwaves. And elevators, my Lucas A. I think that's where I generally is. So we're at the Grand Superior Lodge, and I have a Whirlpool microwave. We don't really use it. We have never used it before here, but we're gonna give this a test shot just to see how it works. Alright, we're gonna start with 3 seconds. Oh, I have to hit this button. Works fine, and the microwave is very clean. Here. Show this hit. 10. Alright, use them safely. See, look how clean this one is. Oh my gosh, this is an awesome one. Alright, thank you for watching.